A prepaid meter is a utility meter that requires payment before electricity or water is consumed. Operating on a pay-as-you-go principle, it allows users to manage their budget effectively, avoiding unexpected invoices and late fees while encouraging energy conservation through real-time feedback. The origins of prepaid meters date back to 1899 with mechanical coin-in-slot models. Over time, these evolved from systems prone to theft and jamming to the digital and electronic meters of the 1990s. Today, smart meters allow for remote operations and seamless integration with modern online payment networks. These systems rely on three core components: a measurement unit that tracks consumption, a credit interface that accepts various forms of payment, and a cutoff switch that automatically pauses the supply when the prepaid balance is depleted. In the real world, prepaid meters are used globally by landlords to guarantee payments, by households to control budgets, and by utility companies to prevent energy theft. They serve as a tool for shifting from reactive billing to proactive utility management. Looking ahead, meters are evolving into data hubs with enhanced IoT connectivity. Future advancements will allow for seamless integration with renewable sources like home solar panels and utilize AI analytics to help users optimize their energy habits and reduce global emissions.